Wow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be trying some Mexican chips and some American chips, and I'm gonna try and compare them. So let's see how they all taste. I'm hungry, so with that being said, let's get started. So the chips I was able to get, and these are from Mexico, is the Ruffles Queso, which is this one. I also got the Doritos Nacho. I also got the Cheetos, which are these. And these labels just have it in English, so people that read this will know what it's in here. So basically it's just saying like, oh, they're twisted corn snacks, cheese and chili, artificial flavored. Basically the same thing that it has here, which is the Botanas. And then Cheetos, of course, because everything, like I said, is in Spanish since they are Mexican snacks. Then we have the Flaming Hot Cheetos. It has the labels in English, so you know what it says in the front. In this instance, it's extra flamin' hot, nueva imagen, and then here it just says corn snack, chili, pepper, and cheese, artificially flavored. These chips are made in Mexico. It even has it in the back. It states, hecho en México. So sí, los hicieron en México. These they made in Mexico. These are made in Mexico, and these are made in Mexico, and these are made in Mexico. So I'm gonna try all of these, and I'm also gonna compare the Flamin' Hot from Mexico to the ones we have here, and also with the Doritos. So the only chips I was able to get from my grocery store to do a comparison are the Doritos and the Hot Cheetos. So I'm gonna compare the ones we make here to the ones from Mexico. Okay, so my mouth is really watering. Let me just get to this. I'm gonna start off by trying out the Ruffles. And these are the Ruffles Queso. It's just the Ruffles we have here. Wow. If you compare these to the ones that we have here in the US, these have a lot more flavor. These have a lot of seasoning. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that chip. Look at that seasoning. The seasoning on these is very good. It's like intense, but not super intense. It's like the perfect touch of seasoning. But from these to the ones we find here, I don't know. They're both so good. I would have to go with these. Now I'm gonna open the Cheetos Torciditos. It's these. These are supposed to be the regular cheese Cheetos. They don't smell like the regular cheese Cheetos. Okay. So these immediately, I can tell, have a lot of seasoning as well. And they all seem a little bit very like, how can I say? And they all seem a little bit like the color of the Hot Cheetos, but less intense, like the red. So the color is less intense than the red, but it's like a deep orange. Okay, these have a little bit of a smell, like a little bit kind of like plasticky. I don't know how to explain it. Like the bag, that's what you're smelling. It's not the chips itself, it's just like the bag. But the chip is so good. I like that it tastes exactly like the one that we have here, and it has like a little tint of like a little bit of spice. It's not bad, and it's not like hot or anything. It's just like a little kick. But these are really good. It tastes like exactly like the ones that we have here in the US. Doritos. So these Doritos, something that I like from the chips that you can find in Mexico is that they come with this little thing. Sometimes it gets in the way when you're trying to get the chips, so you just like yank it off. And it's usually like things that you can win over there. It's like points. So si alguien es de México y quiere los puntos, ahí les va, eh? Somebody's from Mexico or has the app and wants the points, there it is. I don't get those points. Sometimes what I also like is that you can find like those little kind of like paper coins in here. And it's like from different themes that they do. So that's the inside. These are definitely way more bright orange. They smell like the Doritos that we have here in the US. They taste like the Doritos from salsa verde, the green bag that they used to make. With a hint of like cheese. Wait. They're spicy. They are a little spicy, but super good. Flaming hot. These smell really hot once you open the bag. And there's a lot more of those like crunchy ones that I like. Whoa. I like the crunch that these give, so let's see. The smell, of course, is like the regular hot Cheetos. The color is a little bit less intense than the hot Cheetos. Oh. They have a kick to them. My eyes are watering. Hot Cheetos made in Mexico taste exactly like the ones that we have here in the US. They are less bright, but more chunky. Don't mind me. At the end, they do have this like little tinge of kind of seasoning. And boom, you get like this kick of spice. But they are really good too. They are really spicy like the flaming hot we have here. Mexico, estas botanas están riquísimas. If you guys go to Mexico, make sure to try the chips. I am not even putting it lightly when I say that the chips are really good, and they have this like seasoning on them that you just want to keep on licking your fingers. Like, it's really good. So I do have to say, I recommend them. Out of 5, I definitely give them a 5. If I could give them more, I would give them more, but they're really good. I have the US chip here and I have the Mexico chip here. From these two, I would still stick with the US only because I don't like the little kick of spice that it has at the end. It's too much for me, but I like them both equally, but this one's for me. From these, I have to go with this one. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye.